Today on the Daily Greek, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, the king in the crypto space, so stay tuned.
Never fear, because the Greek is here.
Welcome back, Greek Army. I'm the Greek, here with another video for you. Just your favorite Greek, giving you the plays, the news, the daily Greek that you deserve. Never fear, because this Greek is here. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I release the newest, greatest, best content. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say in this video is my own opinion, should be taken for entertainment purposes only. And I know I've been talking other things, but today we're going back to the crypto space and we're going to talk about Bitcoin, the literal king. Bitcoin is the king. So there's no denying it. It is the king. So I was in the DeFi space, being a DEGEN, trying to get the 100x play. And, I was failing, striking out, doing a lot of not good things with my money. And then I decided close to half a year ago that I was going to throw in and match my 401k and put it in Bitcoin. And oh man, what a great decision. Every week on Thursday, I do a Bitcoin buy, and I have amassed a good amount of Bitcoin by doing this. And I've seen gains that I haven't seen in the DeFi space with the DEGEN plays. And don't get me wrong, people can DEGEN, but what I'm saying is put some to the staples like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other stuff, because it is a great long-term play. You see some of the predictions people have in the next, cycle. Bitcoin has cycles. So if you're new and you haven't dealt with Bitcoin, it ebbs and flows, and it has cycles. So it's very volatile. And some people just, some days, you're like, whoa, the dips, but when it pumps, it's great. So the cycles, this next cycle, they're talking about 120 to 180. Some have 300. You hear predictions in 10 years, $1 million from some people. All I know is we hit 69K last cycle. This cycle should be higher than that. I'm thinking anywhere from 120 to 150K. So you're looking at it now at the price it's at, and I'm just trying to accumulate as much as I can at this stage. We know when the halving happens, where they reduce the mining rate by 50%, it really pumps Bitcoin up. It decreases the sell pressure because the miners can only sell half of what they were selling before. It is such a good thing. Now, if you want to DEGEN in other plays, you can, but I'm just saying, throw some at Bitcoin. And Bitcoin will not let you down. It hasn't let me down. Bitcoin has been pumping. I started throwing in, it was about 16K when I started, and currently in the last half a year, I'm up 67% as of making this video on my investment. And I was like, whoa. And people are like, well, how are you doing that, Greek? How are you doing that? It's because I bought a bigger amount, at 16K when I started. I threw in close to 5 to 6K to start. And I'm having the time of my life. Bitcoin is a lot happier. Just remember, it will swing, but just follow the path. And that's what I'm doing. That's my Bitcoin plan. I'm not saying you should do it, but just throw some at Bitcoin. And, I think a lot of people would be a lot happier if they would just start buying Bitcoin and riding it and treating it as a long-term play rather than trying to 100x in these little investments. That's just my opinion. And, I would always make fun of Bitcoin maxis and be like, oh yeah, of course, they like the king. It's easy to like the king, Man, I've changed. Learning what I've learned in the space and seeing just the bad actors. Bitcoin's got so much money in it, and all this stuff, and now institutions with the ETFs coming in. Bitcoin is the future. Bitcoin is the king. Bitcoin is the best. Now, I am just wanting you to keep an open mind on, I know it's boring. Sometimes the best investments are the boring ones. You know, that's what's funny. And you may hit 100x, you know, in the DeFi space and find that play. But, you know, it's all about timing and a lot of other factors. Bitcoin right now is the time to accumulate, in my opinion. And let's go for the run, the next cycle, the bull market. We know this stuff comes. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I release the newest, greatest, best content. Bitcoin is the king, and I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. So invest wisely and invest with Bitcoin.